Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can gift VIP passes, custom makeup, and stuff like that. So I just gifted a custom makeup to my friend's sister, and I wasn't able to gift for a minute because I didn't know what to do, but this is what you actually have to do. So go to the passes here. There's custom makeup VIP pass, run faster, increase item limit, and 2 times the money. So I selected the gift item and I couldn't gift it. You actually have to buy the custom makeup gift prop first. Select buy more and then just purchase it. Obviously you don't have enough, but you're just going to select buy more and then you'll be able to gift it to anybody. Basically, again, here, go to this section and then under the gift, you need to buy the gift prop first. So press it and then you'll be able to gift that pass to whoever you want, basically. Yeah, that's pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.